Whole bunch of ducks just playing in the water. Look at that, some of them really have some green beaks there. Yeah, look at that. They got a little bit of turquoise in their feathers. Which is really cool. Just playing around, getting a drink, weeble wobbling all around. The gang's all here. There they are. It's really nice. They got themselves a big enough pen to do that. Don't get fighting now. Hi, Kara. Look at that.
Don't put your fingers in, honey.
Yeah. Did you see them? They pretty? You gotta take a bath. Wash up in the tub. Look how dirty the water is.
There you go. Yeah.
They're all dirty.
Awesome.
Wow. See, they gotta be clean. The water's dirty, huh, Kara? She's really quiet. I think she's studying them.
She really likes ducks.
Oh, hey. We're getting back.
Because they're smaller. All right. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. Share it with all the little ones. So they can just watch them play in the water. Drink some of it, play, clean themselves. There you go.
Whoever said 2.
Bye-bye.
Apparently, the 2 o'clock one was